Welcome to Loops. Today, you'll discover how industry leaders like Monday.com, AB InBev, Postman, and ClickUp unlock the full potential of their data by leveraging Loops' cutting-edge causal AI and agentic AI capabilities. Let's get started. Loops is a no-code solution and can instantly connect to any data warehouse or product analytics solution and automatically map out your data. After your data sources are connected, all you do is define and prioritize your KPIs, a process that takes just a few hours. Now, here on my Loops homepage, I see that my signups are down. Let's jump into Scout, which is your AI analytics agent, and ask about that. You can ask questions in free language and get the insights that you need. Let's ask why signups went down. Let me quickly just show you how you can also train Scout with your business context and terminology. Here I've trained Scout on some synonyms. I can set these just for me or for everyone. Scout gets better and learns over time based on my different questions and the context I provide it. Right, we can see here why signups went down, and I see that there's something going on in the UK. Let's dig deeper into UK. Scout provides a compact report, including a clear explanation of the situation right here. I can also jump into the full root cause analysis on my sign-up drop. Loops actually ensures that you stay up to date on all your significant KPIs. We monitor your KPIs, identify trends and anomalies, and provide you the why, the root cause of the KPI change. Loops automatically goes through all of the potential reasons, a specific segment, marketing traffic, seasonality, an experiment or otherwise, and surfaces the reasons for you here. By the way, Scout is also available to you on Slack. So you don't actually need to go to the Loops platform. You can ask these questions directly in your Slack. Scout also pushes KPI change alerts with the reasons why directly into your Slack, Microsoft Teams, and email, as well as daily, weekly, monthly, and business reviews in a PDF format or other formats with all your KPIs, why they're changing, and what you can do about that. Now, Loops runs unique causal analyses across all of your data, enabling you to surface the highest impact insights to maximize your KPIs. In the opportunities section, you can find the prioritized insights sorted by the category of the KPI you defined, such as retention and conversion. Take this one. Replay, follow creator, and voted a challenge are the top potential drivers of the KPI third week active retention. Loops went through every possible product journey, feature, and behavior to causally identify what gets users to succeed. Digging in, you can see the analysis itself. Although the replay feature generally increases retention, only 9.91% of users use it in the first few days. As a result, the hypothesis will be that exposing more users to this feature could increase conversion rates significantly. You can also calculate the impact of the opportunity by performing sensitivity analysis to help you prioritize the proposed opportunity. Now, how does Loops calculate the uplift? How do we know it's not just a correlation? Loops knows what causally led to a change in a KPI because of our proprietary causal inference models. These look at users with similar attributes and intent, like the marketing campaigns that brought them in, what they did in the onboarding, all other features they used, and so on. It then splits the users into artificial treatment and control groups, simulating the mechanism of an A/B test and calculating the causal effect. More than 80% of experiments based on insights discovered from Loops are successful. But we don't stop there. We also present a recommendation for follow-up analyses to make these insights as actionable as possible, like suggesting ways to improve the adoption of replay, the recommended feature. After taking an action, Loops offers multiple ways to measure the impact. A/B test analysis happens automatically with our Bayesian-based A/B testing capability. But what if you don't have enough traffic, time, or resources to run an A/B test? The Loop's release impact analysis requires minimal traffic and time. It validates experiment accuracy and shows you the causal effect on a segment level. It leverages causal inference models to simulate A/B tests and quantifies the impact of your actions. It considers all the noise factors like marketing changes, seasonality, trends, and the effects of other launches. It can measure the impact of partial releases and also multiple releases. Loop's release impact has more than 90% accuracy when compared to real A/B test results. Loop supports your entire growth process. We analyze your data, empower you to extract actionable insights, and help you develop them into growth ideas. And then we measure the results of your action and help you to move the process forward. Have your own questions? As you've seen, you don't need SQL or Python skills. With our Loops AI models, you can answer your critical questions and stay informed about key KPIs. For example, you can ask, what's my causal habit moment? Why is my KPI dropping? Who are my power users? Which user journeys maximize retention? And so on. In addition to staying up to date on all your significant KPIs, you can even set a goal for your KPIs, and using the Loop's KPI forecast capability, you can see if you will meet, miss, or exceed the goal and why. You can then choose to follow the recommendations Loops provides to course correct as needed. To understand and quantify the impact of your KPIs on each other, we provide you the KPI tree. We maintain this view of how each KPI is impacted by the others, so you can do two important things. The first is to monitor your KPI. So if a KPI is going down, you'll see the potential impact on that KPI of other KPIs. And second, planning, allowing you to run what-if scenarios. You can identify the levers to focus on to drive impact. Let's say to find the potential impact on a retention KPI if you move an engagement KPI by, say, 1%. Lastly, Loop's workflows bridge the gap between insight and action, enabling you to take action on the users identified in the insight, automating and informing next steps. It's a unique way that Loops helps you activate your data. Loop's workflows can automatically send the list of users driving a KPI change directly into your data warehouse or another action platform, such as your marketing system, customer success, sales, etc. So you could target high-value users in a marketing campaign or users about to churn for personalized support. With Loops, the insights are not only actionable, they're actioned very specifically, automatically, in just the way you want. So this is Loops. To see more on Loops, book a demo. We'd be super excited to show you the platform directly and to talk about how you can try it out on your own data. Thank you.